Here we are here for a humanity festival which is organized by N.A. Harris Foundation and MLA Shantinagar, and this Mela Udyoga Mela is organized by Karnataka Skill Development Corporation. And Karnataka Skill Development Corporation, what it is doing is, now the industry demand is day by day it is changing. As we are going the changing in the demand, we have to go upgrade our knowledge, reskill, upskill the all the skilling, whatever the existing one, and there are a new skilling also had to be learned. The Skill Development Corporation is like a bridge between the education system and the industries, where that the finally after educating, graduating, the people will not be able to go directly to the industry. There, that place the Skill Development Corporation comes, and we give the vocational training, not in our directly in KSDC, through industry we give. So the industry directly come to our place, and whatever the requirement is there, they will tell based upon their demand. Example, if I tell that brigade, it needs some employees. So based upon their requirement, it will be part of our KSDC, and they will give a training, and then they will place the. So it is kind of in skill development, it is a training as well as a placing to eradicate the unemployment should be reduced. That is the main motto of Karnataka government, our Honorable CM and the Honorable DCM. The main agenda is to make sure that the unemployment has to be reduced. For that, the skilling is the one of the solution for that. And the second one is in a single forum, the both employer and employee who want to be an unemployed person who will come in the same forum, and they will search what all the sectors are there here. You can see the from a diploma to 10th to all the sector people are here, and there are 2 days are there. I request through you that everyone to come here, and 2 days opportunity is a wonderful opportunity. Take the opportunity from here, and this is organized by this. This festival is very good festival. I tell that everyone take this opportunity and be part of it. Thank you. Thank you.